Best oven air fryer that transforms your kitchen. Crispy fries, juicy wings, baked delights with 90% less oil. Versatile, energy efficient, easy clean magic for everyday meals. Elevate cooking today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Emeril 26QT Oven Air Fryer. The Emeril 26QT Oven Air Fryer is designed for households that want versatility and generous capacity without sacrificing countertop style. With its extra-large 26-quart interior, this oven easily handles meals for 4 to 6 people, whether you're rotisserie roasting a whole chicken, baking a 12-inch pizza, or air-frying snacks for the family. The dual-speed fan and 360-degree superheated air circulation deliver consistently crispy results with less oil, making everyday cooking faster and healthier. One standout feature is the precise toast function, which automatically shuts off when the countdown ends, eliminating the risk of burnt toast. The stainless steel exterior and elegant French doors give the appliance a premium look, while the interior light allows you to monitor food without opening the oven. Overall, this model is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a powerful, spacious, and stylish air fryer oven that can replace multiple kitchen appliances.
Number 2. Breville BOV 900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville BOV 900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is built for users who value precision cooking and premium performance. Its Element IQ system uses 5 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to distribute heat exactly where it's needed, resulting in evenly cooked food with no cold spots. With 13 versatile cooking functions, this oven handles everything from toasting and baking to air frying, dehydrating, and slow cooking. Super convection technology reduces cooking time by up to 30% while delivering crispy, golden textures, especially for air-fried foods. The spacious interior accommodates large pans, a 14-pound turkey, or up to 9 slices of bread, making it ideal for families. An interior oven light adds convenience by letting you check progress at a glance. Overall, this Breville oven is a high-end, reliable option for cooks who want professional-level control and consistent results in a countertop appliance.
Number 3. Cuisinart 7.0 NA Oven Air Fryer. The Cuisinart 7.0 NA Oven Air Fryer combines simplicity, power, and reliable performance in a compact yet capable design. Powered by 1800 watts, it offers multiple cooking functions including air fry, toast, convection bake, broil, grill, and warm, making it suitable for daily meals and quick snacks alike. Its interior capacity is practical for most households, easily toasting 6 slices of bread, air frying up to 3 pounds of wings, or baking a 12-inch pizza. The Air Advantage technology optimizes airflow to produce fast, crispy results while locking in flavor. User-friendly controls such as adjustable temperature dials, a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector make operation straightforward and intuitive. This model is a solid choice for anyone who wants dependable air frying performance without overly complex features or a large countertop footprint.
Number 4. Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Oven Air Fryer. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Oven Air Fryer is a feature-rich powerhouse designed for serious home cooks and large families. With a massive 30-quart capacity, it can cook multiple dishes at once, including 2 13-inch pizzas or a large roast, while still maintaining a compact footprint. Its upgraded ultra-fast convection system and 1800-watt power deliver faster cooking and noticeably crispier results with up to 95% less oil. The oven offers an impressive range of customization, allowing users to adjust top and bottom heating ratios, fan speed, and temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. With 142 presets, including memory slots for custom recipes, cooking becomes both flexible and convenient. The included grill plate adds authentic char-grilled flavor indoors. Overall, this oven stands out for its control, capacity, and performance.
Number 5. Emeril Lagasse Oven Air Fryer. The Emeril Lagasse Oven Air Fryer is a powerful all-in-one cooking appliance designed to replace multiple kitchen tools while saving time and space. This French door air fryer toaster oven combo blends up to 10 cooking functions into one unit, making it ideal for busy households that want flexibility without clutter. Its dual-zone cooking system allows you to prepare a main dish and side dishes at the same time, using different temperatures and settings, ensuring everything cooks exactly as needed. The built-in quick sync technology intelligently aligns cooking times across both zones, so every part of your meal finishes together, fresh and hot. With an extra-large 25-quart capacity, this oven easily handles family-sized meals or party food, and the removable divider provides added versatility for larger dishes. The included pizza stone helps deliver crispy, restaurant-style pizza at home, while convection cooking speeds up results by up to 60%. Overall, this oven air fryer is a practical and efficient solution for anyone looking to streamline cooking while achieving consistent, flavorful results every day. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.